welcome to a new vlog. This is what I call my teacher closet. So our house has 3 bedrooms, but really, like 2 of them are a decent size and 1 is small. So I have what we call the workout room. And then this is just like my extra room, and then we have the main bedroom. Truthfully, Dan is a minimalist and I am the entire opposite. I am a maximist. He uses half of a closet and I use 3, 4 if you count the ones downstairs. So today we're going to organize my teacher closet. When we moved into this house, it was just like throw anything on a hanger into the closet, and I haven't gotten around to fixing this back up to how it used to be. In the apartment, I had, dresses together, cardigans together, long sleeves together, and here that's not the case. But we're going to fix that today. First of all, let's just do a little peruse of everything. I'm not necessarily going to go through and tell you if I'm going to keep or not keep something, because I do that naturally. My Goodwill bag is down here. These are the hangers that I'm changing to. They're just from Walmart. They're like $2.50 for 10 of them. Good deal. And they're nice and thin, whereas these minty-ish color hangers that I've had since high school, college, so graduated high school in 2012. So these are nice old hangers. The wood ones are thinner, and you can move the hanger part to rotate it. I won't be throwing these away. I have a coworker who I said I would give them to. She has 6 children, so she's always in need of hangers. I'm always impressed by people that can keep all their children alive and happy. But here we go. So, underneath, you'll see we've got our, I call it seasonal wear. So here is Valentine's Day, so patriotic. So that's like 4th of July, Labor Day. Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day. This is just what I call my sparkly pants. So there's gold, there's black, there's a red, there's a star print. There's some sequined skirts in there too. Generally, I'm only wearing them on theme days or I'm matching an outfit. Under here, we have this top drawer. It's all leggings, so solid, colored, all sorts of stuff. And then we have 2 drawers of tank tops. Now, some of these are fancier than others. Would I actually wear this to school? Probably not. I might wear it under a dress or something. But I wouldn't say that all of these are actually teacher tank tops. I wouldn't be wearing this to school. It's just in here because that's where my tank tops are. 2 drawers of tank tops. Not my fancy tank tops though. Those are in my actual closet in the other room. But these are just, simple, solid cotton tank tops. 2 drawers of that. This just doesn't have a home. That's why it's sitting here. This is Christmas, decor-ish stuff. So, cups and, plug-ins. Because Christmas is, the only holiday I generally decorate for. But that's not saying much because we don't even have a Christmas tree yet. This is Christmas tops. We've got Christmas tops. And then in the corner is Halloween. I don't know if you can see that. This bin right here is all scored. So I actually was going through those. So we'll fast forward really quick. So I have a lot of skirts and skirts, and truthfully, I only wear them about 6 months of the year, I would say, if that. I love skirts because obviously they have the built-in shorts, and sometimes I don't want to sit like a lady all the time. But unfortunately, so many of my skirts are actually too short by Walmart dress code standards. So like, this is where I would wear this. I mean, it's appropriate, but if you're Walmart, imagine a Walmart name tag like about this big. The height of a Walmart name tag is about like this big. And so dress code for skirts and skirts is it's supposed to be like this much above your knee. Well, I got big legs and big knees. It just doesn't work out for me. So I have a lot of skirts that I can only wear teaching, which I prefer. And then I have a lot of skirts. Like this is a maxi skirt. I definitely wore this student teaching back in 2016. And would I still wear this? Would I still keep this if it wasn't for Walmart? No. I think I've wore this once this year just because I knew it was in my closet and I wanted to wear it as an excuse to keep it. But I wear this to Walmart all the time. However, sometimes it's 90 degrees and I'm back in the back room and I'm hauling boxes around in a skirt like this because I don't have anything that fits the dress code. It's just ridiculous. But that is why. So here we have our skirts, our skirts, and our little spandexy things we wear underneath. I'll show you guys over there. Comfy shorts. They're only in here because it's just convenient for me to keep them right there. I would never wear that teaching. Never. Maybe on a work day or in the middle of summer. Never teaching. So just all sorts of like fun, comfy shorts. So like what I'm wearing today, I got that from that bin today. In here we have jean shorts. Here we have more comfy, you know, cottony shorts. I have worn this to a work day. Would never wear it actually teaching. Here we have pants underneath. So pants, 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 and then there's the skirts and the skirts. So another annoying thing about the Walmart dress code is you'd say, why do you have 3 pairs of tie-dye pants? Well, 2 of them have holes in them. So if I want to wear pants to Walmart, I can't have any holes. Personally, holes at the knees is a better fit for me because when I sit down, then my knee just pops out the hole. Jeans and I, we don't get along unless I'm buying $100 pairs of jeans like Rockstar Revival, Miss Me, you know, the buckle jeans, which isn't in style right now, but you can buy them in the length and you can buy them in the inseam, and that's like the only thing that works for me. So like pants like this, I love them. I wear them teaching all the time. Our principal has no problem with us teaching with, you know, holes on our jeans. Shocking. Yeah, I know. We're professionals. Who cares if there's a hole in our jeans in the knees? But I can't wear that to Walmart, which is ridiculous because I've ripped my pants before, you know, getting it caught on something. But it's against dress code. Can't wear it to Walmart. And then here we have like teacher school shirts. So like graphic tees like this. But then I also have, like, this is a school zip up, this is a school shirt. We get a school shirt generally every single year that goes with the theme. So there's a big chunk of those in here. This will be my 8th year teaching special education at the same school, same district, different classroom though. So if it's one of those days and I don't know what I want to wear, generally it's a teacher graphic tee, and then I'll wear a little skirt with it. That's like my perfect outfit for like September, October, and then like May and June, where you're like, I don't know what I want to wear. It's an easy thing to pop on. But let's organize the closet now. I have a sheet down, even though I did vacuum the floor, just because, you know, I'm going to be laying a lot of clothing on here. I'm actually surprised Cheyenne hasn't come to join us yet. So I'm going to fast forward this. I'm just going to make piles. So probably, I think we'll do cardigans, dresses, and then non-cardigan dresses, and then I'll organize it by sleeve type as I'm putting it in. Let's fast forward. When it's out of the closet, but I promise you I wear the vast majority of this all. We are going to start with the things I wear under dresses. We'll do tank tops, then we'll do sweaters, the strange things that don't fit a category, so like kimonos and weird jackets and theme day things. Then we'll do probably cardigans and then dresses over in the corner. I think that's what we're gonna do. And that way I can do one category at a time, and if I run out of hangers, which might happen, I don't know how many I've been switching as I go, then we can, you know, stop the project, pick it up another day, and continue on. Let's do this! For a coffee break. We'll be back. Cheyenne is not impressed. Someone here thinks she's being helpful, but she likes to bite the sparkles and the sequins. Yep, you better look away. It's Thursday, so normally I would have to work tomorrow, but I have to go to the farmer's market today with a friend. Have to, you know. So I figured I would just come here and get some cash instead of going to the ATM. And I want to get some tomato cages too. Okay, we got some plant steaks. I was hoping to find a tomato cage, but couldn't find that. But I think this will go good with my pea plants when they get a little bigger. Just gonna... Oh, I lied. They're $2.97. They're not $2.50. We are home. I have about half an hour until my coworkers are done working, and then we're gonna go to the farmer's market. They just reset the makeup mods at Walmart, and so I was talking to a coworker as she was putting this out. And if you know me, a glittery lotion or a glittery oil of any sort is right up my alley. So this is supposed to be a multi-purpose dry oil for your face, your body, and your hair. So I am someone that always has really dry skin. So anytime I see something glittery, I'm all about it. And I actually got to see just how glittery this was because one of them like had busted in transit and she had just glittery gold everywhere. Not sure if I'm supposed to take this out or not. Oh, it's a stopper. Oh, excellent. I mean, oh, it really smells good. It's like warm vanilla sugar, I would say, is like the smell, so that's good. I hate when it's too like sunscreeny beachy. Okay, we'll see when we go to the farmer's market if that shows up. I'm gonna put a couple little dabs on my legs too. It's the Lottie Outer Banks, if you're interested. Should be in the Lottie makeup section at the Walmart. Okay, can't wait to go in the sun and see how that is. My Amazon package was also on the porch. I'm thinking though, it's not what I want. I ordered a couple things for Dan too, because I have the Prime account. So sometimes I order things from him and I'm all excited thinking it's mine, and then it's not. Ooh, I see glitter. Something's mine. Okay. Oh, excellent. Okay, looks like mostly my stuff. So if you saw my last video, I was interested in an Aquaphor stick. I love Aquaphor. As a child, it was like my go-to holy grail. I had a pretty major skin disease condition as a kid. I mean, I still do. I'm just better at handling it. But Aquaphor is what my parents would use on me. And the baby version was $1 cheaper than the normal version, so I'm all about cheap. But I hate sticking my fingers in Aquaphor and getting it under my nails, so like this seemed like a good alternative to that. a garage door opener for Dan because he needs another one. And then a glittery clipboard. I realized when we were signing yearbooks that all I had for clipboards was the like janky old brown ones that are probably like as old as I am. So that was on my list of something to buy for the classroom. These are sponge and replacement filters for our cat water filler. So somewhat what I was looking for, but I also have one more thing that I ordered like a month ago. It hasn't come, but that wasn't like Amazon Prime shipping. It was just like free shipping, but it's coming from like China or something. So I'm still waiting on that. Okay, 1:36. We have a little bit more time to get back in that closet.
Thinking back on when I used to hold your hand, feeling lost and found at the same time. That distant memory of you and me, so bittersweet and true.
Okay, as you can see, we just have the cardigan pile left, which is an excessive pile, but I love cardigans. Let's go to the farmer's market and we'll deal with this when we get back.
Yay, I love the farmer's market. I think we're gonna walk and get ice cream first while we're waiting for another friend to join us, which is okay with me too.
2 days ago when I got ice cream, I really wanted rainbow sherbet, but then they didn't have it. Okay, I'll get strawberry banana sorbet, and I was kind of disappointed with my choice, and I've been regretting it ever since, and so now I'm going to redeem myself and I'm gonna get chocolate chip cookie dough because that's just what I've been thinking of the last 2 days.
You're just dripping all over.
That's like the best part.
It's like such a pretty mural in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Since it is just the cardigan pile left, I figured we would try a new angle. We are back from the farmer's market. The only thing I bought there was I got a fruit tea, and then we went to a different area that had a mini donut stand by the river, and then we went to Dunkin', and now we're home. There's a basketball game on at 6 I want to watch, so I'm hoping that I can finish this up in the next 40 minutes, and I think that should be easily accomplished. Let's do it. And here is the aftermath.
But yay, cohesive hangers. Looks so nice. If I want to add more cardigans or dresses, look, we've got room. Yay!
So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to pick up this mess I've got on the floor and then go watch some basketball. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in another one.